How to delete all posts on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete all your Facebook posts at once on Facebook. Simply tap or open up your Facebook, and then what you want to do is you want to tap on the hamburger icon or the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do so, you want to tap on the settings option and head into settings. Under settings, you want to scroll down until you find the option activity log. You'll find it under your information option. As you can see on the screen, simply tap on activity log option. Now once here, you want to tap on your activity across Facebook option, and then tap on manage post option that you can see along with the post option. Now here, what you want to do is you'll be able to see all your posts. Simply tap on filters option. Once you tap on filters option, you want to tap on categories option, and here you want to select the option your posts, check-ins, photos and videos. Simply select it. Once you select it, you'll be able to see all your posts, your saved posts, your uploaded pictures and such. You want to simply select all option that you can see at the top left corner, or you can select the random ones that you wish to select. I'll just select all, and once you select all here, what you want to do is you can simply tap on recycle bill option at the bottom of your screen that you can see there. You can see recycle bill option at the bottom. You want to simply tap on it and it will be deleted and moved to recycle bin. So this way you can delete all your posts on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.